basically have a focus on pharmaceutical and medical industry. So we deliver our solution, which is a totally independently learning software stack to those GMP-regulated industry, learning on the machine controller data to give hints in a situation of problems or machine breakdowns, and also deliver this solution for new machines to facilitate the ramp-up of new production lines to make it shorter. So the program was helping us a lot. We had a very good discussion the last 2 days here on this fair, but we also had offline discussions, getting into contact with your network, new pharmaceutical companies who were interested in our solution and discussing concrete use cases. So that was very helpful so far. Favorite part is actually this networking event. So there were already a couple of them at Basel, but also there's an upcoming one in the beginning of next year. Yeah, we actually even recommended for the next round the program to friends of us who are also spin-offs. Actually, I really enjoyed that the application process was very transparent. So your colleague Albert actually gave feedback after each round, gave precise qualitative and quantitative feedback.